Today we're going to do a video on Samsung dishwasher. Code, what was the code? CLLC? I don't know. The code was leak sensor, LC, I think. Yes, it was. So we're going to show you the dishwasher. There's the dishwasher. Another 5-minute job. It's never going to be. Go get every tool you own, every screwdriver, every drill, no, you don't. You don't need all that. It's going to be a very simple job. I started already and I found the problem. It is so simple. It is incredible. We're going to remove this panel off the side. I'll put it back on again so you'll know. The panel looks like this. Very simple. Take the panel out. Oh, like magic. There's all this stuff behind it. And reach inside here. And there is, let's turn the lights on. And maybe we should turn the lights on. We could see now. Hold the frickin' phone still. Put your fingers on the phone. It's going to be a 5-minute. This is not a professional job. So if you're hoping for something like the new videos that are out, the professionals, forget it. That's not me. You got to go somewhere else. But I will tell you the tricks. None of the bullshit. Am I supposed to say bullshit? Probably not, but I'm going to anyway. I'm trying to get it, and I'm not going to edit this video because you'll never get it. The sensor is down in there. It is right here in the bottom. Can't see nothing. I'm not going to edit this. I'm telling you, I'm not going to edit the video. Oh, sugar and shucks and gee willikers. Maybe I'll have to. Shows the darn thing. It's right there. It's in the bottom. And it took me like hours, months, days. No, it didn't. It only took me a few minutes. This little rascal back there. It was dripping into this tube here, because that, I guess it's made for that. See, if it drips out, this is where the hot water comes in. There's the big wing nut on there, and it's dripping out of the bottom. See, my finger is wet. Don't lick it if you do that. Don't lick your fingers. And it's dripping into this trough here, and this magic trough goes inside in the bottom under here where you can't see it. So I couldn't find it. It was like crazy. And that's so easy. So easy. It's a good thing. The water drips out of the bottom of this. Get the camera right. The water drips out. This is where hot water comes in. It comes into this big wing nut. I'm going to go get a pair of pliers. Don't do that. See, I don't want to shut the water off because it's way in there. See it? And I don't want to reach in there and kill myself and do that. So I'm going to try to tighten it up with the pressure on it, which you're not supposed to do. But I always do things I'm not supposed to do. That's why it's me. So you can probably still see it dripping. Drip, 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 enough to drive you crazy. So I'm going to go get a pair of pliers and just tighten this up like a pair of adjustable pliers. We used to call them water pump pliers back in the 1800s. So, and tighten this up, and that should do the trick. Anyway, folks, that's the quick video. Very easy. Very easy. The sensor is in there. Again, I'll tell you again, the sensor is underneath there. Those wires right there. The blue and red one and all those good things. Disconnect it. There's the plug. Disconnect it, and you could run the dishwasher and test it. This whole bottom was full of water. So this time, the safety stuff worked. Most of the time, I hate you safety people. That's not very nice. Not very nice, Gary, to say those things. There is a Samsung dishwasher video. I don't care. Don't care. See these pliers? See, these are like the water pump pliers. See, we used to say in the 1800s, these are adjustable pliers. And what I did was, I grabbed them like that, and I turned it. I don't want to show you in the video because it squirted all over the place and it hit the ceiling and it was a big mess to clean up and makes me look foolish. Anyway, it didn't do that. I tightened it up. Everything is fine. Look, see, No drips. Don't have to lick your fingers again. I use a hair dryer in there to blow the sensor off when you plugged it in. If it still wants to do the code, it took a few minutes, but it was fine. Then it goes. You hear that noise? That's the pump. It'll try to do that, pump itself dry, and that's okay, and everything will be fine. Let it do its thing. It'll do this one that's pumping, and once it's all done, it'll go back to normal again. Everything will be fine. So open the door, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. It'll make a nice noise. You wait a few minutes, like 2 weeks, a month. Then you can close it. Power back on. We use the express. We go to normal. Hit the magic button. And it should go. Better than new. Much, much better than new. It'll do its pump again. It'll start pumping. And then it should go right on to wash. And before you push it all back together, make sure you check it. If it's not dripping. Not dripping. Don't lick your fingers. It's okay, and we're done. Thank you.